Hello, beautiful souls. Welcome back. Welcome to this Vipassana inspired meditation. Vipassana is an ancient meditation technique that means insight or clear seeing. For more information, check out the description or my community post, and know that the idea of Vipassana is to be in silence, although today I will be lightly guiding you. Remember to be aware of what comes up. There will be long pauses with small indications of what to focus on. I will also read the journal prompts at the end, or there will be a link so that you can do them in your own time later. It was taught by the Buddhas over 2,500 years ago as a way to observe the mind and body with mindfulness and wisdom. In traditional Vipassana meditation, the focus is on natural breathing through the nostrils only. The mouth usually stays gently closed or slightly relaxed, allowing the breath to flow naturally. So let's begin. Begin by finding a comfortable position, sitting with a straight but relaxed posture. Allow your eyes to gently close or soften your gaze downward. You can bring your hands to relax in your lap or by your side. Now bring your attention to your natural breath. You breathe in, notice the coolness of the air as it enters your nostrils and the warmth as it leaves. Let your mouth close softly with your lips lightly touching and relax your jaw. Feel the subtle sensation of the breath flowing gently through your nostrils. If your mind wanders or your mouth opens, kindly bring your awareness back to the natural rhythm of your nasal breath. Now shift your attention to the top of your head. What sensations are present? Just notice without naming. Sit in silence while you scan. If you feel discomfort, just observe it. Allow the sensation to rise and pass. Remain still, stay aware. If you notice your mouth opening or breathing through it, simply and kindly bring your awareness back to the gentle flow of your breath through your nose. Now observe thoughts as they come. Don't follow them, don't push them away. Just notice and let them drift. Welcome back. How are you feeling? I'd like you to think about slowly moving your body, rolling your shoulders back, bringing some sensation into your feet and your hands, perhaps even stretching. If you feel like it, slowly, gently start to open your eyes to your surroundings, gently adjusting to the light, to the room. After spending this time with your own thoughts, remember, feelings are going to arise and sensations. So obviously sitting with our own thoughts can be tough, but sometimes things can come up from that. that we don't expect, and perhaps you want to explore that more. So I'm going to repeat slowly some journal prompts. If you would like to stay, that's fine, and if not, thank you so much for being here, and I will see you in the next one. If you want to download the journal prompts, they are there in the description. Number 1. What did I notice in my body as I sat in stillness? What did I notice in my body as I sat in stillness? Were there any thoughts or emotions that kept returning? Were there any thoughts or emotions that kept returning? What sensations stood out to you the most? What sensations stood out to you the most? Thank you so much for participating in today's meditation. I would love to know how you found it. If you found it interesting, explorative, please let me know in the comments. The other thing I would like to mention is that one of my dear friends, a YouTuber, Jace Nomad TV, I will link her down the bottom. She has just been on a retreat, so this meditation is completely inspired by her. She was on a 7-day Vipassana retreat, so please go check her channel out, as she has all the prep, and she will be uploading a video as soon as, all about the retreat and how it was for her. So thank you so much for being here. Remember, be kind to yourself and look after your mind, body and soul. Thank you so much. Bye bye.